Hi, I'm Princess Lockerooo, dancer, choreographer, director, educator, and of course, Queen of Waacking. I didn't come from a studio. I started dancing at 19 years old. And before that, I was just a theater nerd. Literally, I used to write out the entire libretto of Rent from start to finish in my notebook during science class. Who does that? I got kicked out of class pretty much every single day for being too much. I tried to become a contortionist and moved to circus school. I guess you could say that I've come a long way, but it really was not easy. I faced so many different challenges, but eventually I discovered waacking and I found my voice and my purpose. I had no idea that I was about to walk into a scene that would change my entire life. Now, I produce one of the biggest waacking competitions in the United States, Wack to the Future. I've brought waacking to over 30 countries around the world, and I started a school for waacking right here in New York City. This channel is where I'm sharing the real story, not just the glammy highlights, but the wild, messy, magical journey of Princess Lockerooo. The highs, the heartbreaks, the glow-ups, and everything in between. So, if you want to hear all the tea about me and my journey, hit that subscribe button.